Little on Elinor will do with this previous channel, and a few Einsteins.
Huh? Wait a minute. Rocket has the hiccups. Oh no! Rocket, let's land. Every time Rocket hiccups, he goes backwards. Rocket can't be in the great sky race with Rocket hiccups. But how do you fix Rocket hiccups?
Stopping Rocket hiccups must be sort of like stopping Kid hiccups.
When I get the hiccups, Leo sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away. That's a great idea, Annie.
Little Einsteins. Weekdays, right after the brand new Working Out Robots on Elinor will do with this previous channel.